This is a 2024 Barletta Aria UC Tri-Toon Pacific Blue. Equipped with Barletta's Ultra Lounger, ski toe, safety chains. It's equipped with a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard motor. Telescoping ladder, doggy view doors, and all Barlettas come with the power bimini. Stepping into this Tri-Toon, you have two large loungers in the bow, cup holders, USB chargers, convenient garbage storage, interior courtesy lighting, and of course doggy dish and doggy water bowl. You have in-floor storage, passenger seat, you have USB and phone holder. Stepping up to the helm, equipped with Hertz radio, phone holders, there is a glove box. Tri-Toon's ready for 12 people. Once again, Barletta's Ultra Lounger. Comes all the way down. So you have the option of laying down facing forward. Once again, this is a 2024 Barletta Aria 22UC Tri-Toon.